taka, 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 or taka, 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 taka. Taka or taka in Mabaan, in Sudanese or African means a screeping plant. Scraping plant. And this taka is, they make this their seeds. Their seeds are round and flat. So it's a round, like exactly like tacos or or taka, in US, but they in Africa, because of languages, there's existence of words of knowledge. So there's a taka in Sudan and also in Ethiopia. And when you go outside in the jungle or outside in the forest, you will see scraping, plant, taka. You see taka, or, many will be takan. Takan mean many, scraping plants. This type of, plants, or, takan. So they're scraping plants running on the, on the ground, on the earth. And they're also, their leaves are round, and green. But their seeds are, the color, is dark red or brown. So it will be brown, dark red, that color, kind of color combined. And when you open it, the seeds will be pop up, tuck. Open it, and inside also you got two, outside you have two sides, and inside also you got two sides, two-sided, put together. So, and that's what the word taka means. Scraping plants with the seeds round. And many of them we call that, or we call it takan, 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 takan. Stay excited. I will come back with new information. And please subscribe on my video.